Huh?
This and other false information can be found using any web search engine. Why not access accurate and objective information using SuperSearch? SuperSearch works like a web search engine to search several Birmingham Public Library databases at one time to produce a list of results that have been reviewed and edited by experts in the field. For a simple search, just type your search terms into the box and click search. If you prefer, you can choose to search within particular categories or databases. The results show up just like a search engine. Click on the result to find reliable information. No mention of Fred Rogers as a sniper. Use SuperSearch and our other databases when you don't want to venture into the land of make-believe.